Hello guys, I hope you all had a lovely day. Tonight we'll be following Jennie's self-care routine. So first, setting the mood, getting the lights low. Jennie mentioned she likes to burn incense to relax her mind, so I'm lighting a candle. And then it's time to stretch our bodies out with a foam roller. I've actually never used a foam roller before, so I had to search for a tutorial on YouTube, and I came across this one and I absolutely loved it. I recently started taking Pilates, so my body has been aching quite a bit, and after this body stretch my muscles didn't feel as tight, so this is definitely something I will implement into my day-to-day routine. And then I headed to the bathroom, I lit some more candles, and I got the bath running. Also got all of my self-care little goodies ready to go as well. I got my face rollers and also a sheet mask that was nice and cool from the fridge. I did buy this bath salt kit because of the tiny scoop. I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. So I'm adding some of that into my bath along with a vanilla scented bath bomb from Lush. This one had roses in it, so that definitely added to the vibe, and that was so satisfying to drop that in. Both my sheet mask and face rollers were in the fridge, so they were super cold, but it was so relaxing to give myself a little face massage. Then it's time for the scrubs. I started off with my lips, which was much needed with all of the lip products I apply on a day-to-day basis, and then we moved on to the body. I fell in love with this one from Aesop. The scent, the formula, it was just so perfect and so relaxing. And after all of that, I sat back and relaxed, watched Change Days season 2 on Netflix, and enjoyed a cheeky little chocolate too. At this point I was feeling super relaxed already, and I thought to myself, why don't I do this more often? But of course I know we get busy and we tend to neglect ourselves, so this is a little reminder to maybe have a little self-care evening for yourself. Once out of the bath, I got changed into my new pajama set. How cute are they with the little bears? I always think a new pajama set is just so cozy. Now let's move to the couch. I'm applying body lotion. This one is matching with the body scrub that I was using, so I just love the scent. I really love this line from Aesop. I actually haven't really used anything from Aesop before, so this was such a treat. But I do neglect applying body lotion because I usually do keep covered up, so this was really needed. My skin was so dry. Then I'm applying essential oil behind my ears, on my wrists and temples. The one I'm using has notes of lavender to help me relax and get sleepy for bed. I then put Change Days back on the TV to finish the episode I was watching, and while I was watching I used a massage gun and I worked that over the parts of my body that was feeling a little bit sore. So Jennie uses body massaging tools, but the ones that she used are pretty expensive. I'll leave a link of all the products that she used in her videos and the ones that I'm using in my video, so you guys can have some options there. So I did borrow this massage gun from my brother, and I think I need to get one for myself because this was really great for my sore muscles from Pilates. I think again this is something I need to do more for myself. But overall, to wrap up the night, I really did enjoy this self-care routine, and I could feel myself genuinely relaxed, ready for bed. And I just want to remind you guys to always take care of yourself too, because who else will? We can only look out for ourselves, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and it was relaxing for you to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and good night.